Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another wig review for you guys, and this is going to be another quick, beginner friendly, easy wig, okay? And this wig is from the company Wigsgal, and I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys their packaging. This is how the wig came, and the wig that I'm going to be reviewing for you today is their wig called Alexa, okay? This is a U-part wig. It's in the 20-inch length and the natural black color. If you're not familiar with U-part wigs, they are wigs where you will need to leave a little bit of your hair out. And this particular wig has a great cap. You're going to get your combs, you're going to get adjustable straps, and then they also do have some clips as well at the top for you to clip onto your real hair, okay? So let's go ahead and take a look at the hair texture. This is their kinky straight texture, and I requested this texture because it's going to be the exact same texture as my natural hair flat ironed. And so, you know, if you flat iron your natural hair, if you are natural, then this will blend with your hair seamlessly, okay? So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and simply flat iron this hair, and of course I'm going to spray it with heat protectant. You always want to spray your human hair wigs with heat protectant just like you would spray your real hair with heat protectant. So we're going to go ahead and get this flat iron so that way it can blend in with my real hair. So while I'm flat ironing the hair, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys some more information about this wig. I would say it probably took me about 30 minutes to flat iron the hair. And of course, as many passes as you do is going to depend on you and how straight you want it to be. Like I said, I was just straightening it to make it match my real hair. It definitely flat ironed very well, and I did not get any shedding when I was flat ironing the hair. And I did wear this wig the whole day, and I did not get any tangling. The hair is very soft. And also you can pretty much just wear this hair straight out of the pack. You don't have to wash it. Of course, when you do wash it, you will have to flat iron it again. And also you can put some curls in this hair as well. It'll look really good curled as well. Okay, so I finished flat ironing the hair, and the hair looks really good, and the ends of the hair look really natural, and the hair has a lot of movement. It's not stiff or anything like that, and it also has a very natural shine. It just looks really, really natural. So now that I'm done flat ironing the hair, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the straps that are holding, you know, the wig in place. We're gonna go ahead and cut those off and prepare to put the wig on. Once you go ahead and cut those straps, then you're gonna have that U shape, and that's where your real hair is going to be coming out of. So I pretty much have my hair parted that same way. I have a U part, and then I'll just have my hair in a ponytail, and the rest of my hair is in a ponytail in the back. And so now I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on. I did adjust the straps, and I am using the combs and the clips, but to me the wig is still not quite secure, so I'm gonna go in like I always do with my U-part wigs and use some bobby pins as well. And to me that just makes the wig feel 100% secure. So I'm gonna put bobby pins all around there, you know, around that U, and then I'm also gonna put some in the back. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take my real hair out of the ponytail and flat iron it. And as you guys can already see, like I said, my real hair really matches the texture of this wig, okay? So of course I'm gonna put my heat protectant on, and then I'm gonna proceed to flat iron my hair. And my hair was not heat damaged at all during this process. I know you guys are gonna see some steam come up, but that's just from, you know, the dampness of the heat protectant. My hair was not heat damaged at all. I did flat iron my hair on 350 degrees or maybe 400 degrees, and I did not get any heat damage, okay? Let me teach you all the sounds of love. Okay, so I'm done flat ironing my hair, and it blends seamlessly into the wig. Like I said, you can't tell where my hair starts, where the wig begins. I mean, it's just an effortless blend. And also you can wear it behind your ear. You can put some curls in it. You can also wear this in a ponytail, and it looks really good in a ponytail. Now keep in mind, if this length is too long for you, that you can get other lengths. They do have other lengths on their site. And the link to this wig and all of their other information, including their social media, is going to be in the description bar of the video. You guys know if you have any questions or comments, you can leave those below. And as usual, I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.